Don't panic when you encounter a blue screen error. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem step by step. Let's begin. Click on Advanced Options, select Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Now select Command Prompt. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk/f/r/c: and hit enter to execute this command. Now we need to type this command c: and simply press enter. Type cd space c: / and hit enter to execute the command. Type cd space Windows and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space system32 and we need to execute this command. For that, simply hit enter. Now type cd space config and hit enter. Now type md backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy *** backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute the command md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now type copy space ** space backup1 and hit enter. Now type cd space regback and simply hit enter. Now type dir and then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type in copy space ** space ... and then hit enter. After that, type all and again hit enter to execute the command. Type in bootrec space / fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type in bootrec / fixboot and hit enter. Now type cd space c: / and simply hit enter. Now type this command cd space Windows /system32 /config /regback and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type bcdedit space /export space c: /bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type cd space c: / and hit enter. Now type this command md space boot and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter. Type cd space c: / and hit enter. Now type attrib c: / boot /bcd -h-r-s and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type ren space c: / boot /bcd space bcd.olg, then simply hit enter to execute this command. And once done, let's move to the next command. Now type bootrec space / rebuildbcd and simply hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.